Ever wonder why your digital fortress might not be as secure as you think? Welcome to the realm of zero-trust security architecture, a revolutionary approach to cybersecurity that trusts no one, not even insiders. In this digital age, every user, device, and application is a potential threat. Zero trust assumes everyone is a potential Trojan horse. It's not about building higher walls, but about implementing strict access controls, continuous authentication, and least privilege principles. Think of it as a vigilant night watchman, tirelessly scrutinizing every movement within the network. It reduces the attack surface, sniffs out insider threats, and upholds data confidentiality and integrity across various environments. So, why is this important? Because in our hyper-connected world, security isn't just about keeping the bad guys out, but also watching those within. Zero-trust security architecture is not just a strategy, it's a mindset, a shift from traditional security measures to proactive, adaptive defenses. Intrigued? Stay tuned as we delve deeper into the world of zero-trust security architecture, a game-changer in the world of cybersecurity. This is the future of digital defense, where trust is earned, not given.